guys, Johnny Ice Team and here. Today I'm going to show you how to get the old YouTube layout in 2018. New method. First, open up your Google browser. Type user switch into Google, press enter, click the first link of the search results, click add to Chrome, click add extension, extension's been added, click the mask icon on the right, click on Internet Explorer, click on Internet Explorer 10, and it should refer to Internet Explorer 10 standards. Now go on to YouTube and you have the old YouTube. As you can see, I've got the old YouTube homepage. If I go into my channel, I should have the old YouTube channel layout. If I go into the watch page, I should have the old YouTube watch page. I'm going to click on one of my videos, for example. As you can see, it's the old YouTube. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more Johnny Ice Team videos, and bye for now.